We are going to be looking at using Flipgrid in class this year. So this video will kind of walk you through how to post a Flipgrid video just to make sure that everything works out smoothly for you. First off, whenever you get a link from me to complete a Flipgrid post, you will always need to join through Microsoft. Our school accounts are Microsoft accounts, and if you are outside of that realm, it will not allow you to do it. So if you try to join with Google, it will not work. You absolutely have to join using Microsoft. So I'm going to click Microsoft, and I need to log in using my student email address along with my 1PU password. I actually already have mine saved in, so I'm just going to click on my name because I already have it saved in. So you'll need to log in, and you'll need to use your 1PU password as well as your school issued email address. Next, you'll see directions posted. This is just a sample one on what you need to talk about, and I will always include a sample video that you can watch with samples or explanations. Then you want to record a response once you know what you're going to say. So you're going to click on record, and then you actually need to click the record button. So I'm going to start recording. We'll count down 3, 2, 1, etc. And I can start talking and recording whatever it is I want to say. However, I want to respond to that question. You can use the effects option down here to kind of change your backgrounds. You can use the photo option to embed a photo in your Flipgrid as well, and that is all through the effects option. Once you are done recording, you need to make sure that you pause, and then you need to click next. So I'll click next, etc. And I can start talking. It will start showing you the edit. You can change things if you want. I personally usually don't do that. So I just click next again. Your name will display. You click submit, and it will upload your video. Once the video is uploaded, which that went really quick, usually it takes longer than that, I can click complete, and then my video will end up getting submitted to myself. And then I can check your video, and you are set.